Hello everyone, Harish Shah this side. I'm a football coach and I've been coaching for the past 13 years. As a football coach, we spend a lot of time working on tactics, technique and skill development. One area which is overlooked is nutrition, yet what players eat and drink can significantly impact their endurance, recovery and fitness and injury prevention. Whether you are coaching young athletes, amateur or professionals, educating them about the proper nutrition is as just important as training them on the field. Today, I want to highlight some key nutrition strategies that can help football players to perform at their best and recover faster. Why nutrition is important in football players' life and how it's benefit. I mean, in today's generation, nutrition is very important in everyone's life, especially in young athletes and footballers. Nutrition play a vital role in development and performance during the game and how it impacts their life. I mean, it helps to change their performance during the game. It helps them to grow and develop, and it helps them to recover fast, and it boosts their immune system. How nutrition benefits a young football player's life: it improves your endurance and it provides you a strength and energy. It also provides you to focus more on your game, and it also helps you from the risk of injury, and it also impact on your overall health. So that's how the nutrition benefits a young football player's life. How a player should manage hydration during a match and training. A proper hydration is essential for young players to improve their performance, and even the player should also know about the dehydration and heat related illness. Here are some following tips which will help the player to improve their hydration. Tip number 1: pre-training, match and training hydration. So before training, a player can drink 500 or 750 ml of water to keep themselves hydrated. Tip number 2: during match or training, according to me, every player should get a break after a 15 or 20 minutes to keep themselves hydrated. Every coach and player should make sure they carry their own water to keep themselves hydrated. Tip number 3: post training or a match, a player should make sure that they rehydrate themselves by the water or any kind of energy drink, and players should drink a water within the 30 minutes of the duration to keep themselves hydrated, and they can drink 500 or 750 ml of water. Additional tip: encourage a player to consume a electrolyte rich food or a drink. A food, I mean banana or a date, and drink they can have a coconut water. And players should be mindful of the climate, and the player also should avoid a sugary drink, and even the coaches should educate the parents about their hydration. I think according to me, every human being should drink 2.5 or 3 liter of water daily. Sign of dehydration: change in the urine color, headache, dizziness or muscle cramp. To avoid these kinds of dehydration, everyone should make sure that they have enough of water intake. How many hours of sleep is required for young footballer? Sleep is very essential for all young footballers because it helps them to recover physically and mentally, and it also impacts their overall performance. Sleep recommendation for all young football players: 6 to 12 years of children, they can sleep 9 to 11 hours, and 13 to 18 years of children, they can sleep 8 to 10 hours. The tempting world of sweets and fast food. It is understandable that all young football players might have a crave for these kinds of treats. While it is not necessary to completely eliminate a sweet or a fast food from young football players' life, yes, we can give them a sweet and fast food on their reward as a reward when they win their matches. What are the best sources of carbohydrates for young football players? Whole grain like brown rice, whole wheat bread, fruits like banana and apple, or vegetable like leafy greens and sweet potato and etc. For protein, you can have chicken, plant-based protein, seafood, egg and dairy product. For good fats, you can have nuts and seed like chia seed, watermelon seed, almond, avocado. For fiber, you can have fruits, vegetable, whole grain and different types of lentils. What are some good meals for young football players? For breakfast, you can have avocado toast, a scrambled egg with the brown bread and overnight oats. For lunch, you all can have a chicken grilled with brown rice or paratha, vegetable biryani or different kinds of a vegetable with roti or chapati. And for dinner, you all can have chicken or fish curry with the rice, or paneer pulao with salad. By the end of this discussion, I hope we all gain a clearer understanding of how to integrate a proper nutrition habit into our training program. Ensure that our players are always in top condition both physically and mentally.